As part of the computer network course, today we are going to discuss about routing strategies in switching networks. Myself VV Sivaram Raju of SRKR Engineering College, Bhimwar. The objective of today's lecture is to demonstrate routing strategies in switching networks. Routing strategies. A variety of routing algorithm has been developed for packet switching, frame relay and ATM networks. The routing function attempts to find least cost route path through the network. The least cost is based on number of hops, expected delay, other metrics. Routing strategies are fixed, flooding, random and adaptive. Fixed routing. In fixed routing, a single permanent path is configured from source to destination pair of nodes in the network. The routes are fixed. If you want to change the route, the changes will be done whenever the topology of the network is changed. This is done by the network administrator. Fixed routing tables. The figure shows how fixed routing might be implemented. A central routing matrix is created to be stored at the network control center. The matrix shows each source destination pair of nodes that identify the next nodes in the route. With fixed routing, there is no difference between routing for datagram packets and virtual circuits. Flooding. Another simple routing technique is known as flooding. This technique requires no network information. A packet is sent by a source node to every one of its neighbors. At each node, the incoming packet is retransmitted on all outgoing links except for the link it is arrived. For more efficient transfer, we can include hop count to the packets. Flooding example. Now we will discuss the flooding algorithm with this example. In this example, if node 1 wants to send a data to node 6, then it sends a copy to node 2, node 3 and node 4. Then node 2 will be send a copy to node 3 and node 4. Node 4 will send a copy to nodes 2, 3, 5. And this chain goes on. Eventually, a number of copies of packets will be arrived at node 6. It takes the first copy and discards the remaining. Random routing. Random routing has a simplicity and robustness of flooding for less traffic. With random routing, a node selects only one outgoing path for retransmission of incoming packet. The outgoing link has chosen at random based on round-robin process or based on probability of data rates of outgoing links. This is shown in the formula. Adaptive routing. Adaptive routing is used by all packet switching networks. Change in routing decisions are made based on changing network condition. The change in the network conditions are based on failure of nodes and links, and conjunction is based on whenever a portion of network is heavily conjuncted. Thank you.